Buying your first home is an exciting journey that begins with setting your budget and getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Once you've determined how much you can afford, choose a location that suits your lifestyle and needs. It's essential to work with a trusted real estate agent like Luis or Alberto de Leon to help you navigate the process. Begin house hunting by attending open houses and viewings, making sure to find a home that meets your criteria. When you find the perfect home, make a competitive offer with your agent's guidance. After making an offer, have the property inspected to ensure it's in good condition. Secure financing by finalizing your mortgage and completing all necessary paperwork. Once everything is in order, sign the closing documents and pay any associated fees to close the deal. Finally, move into your new home and enjoy the fruits of your labor. For personalized assistance, contact Luis or Alberto de Leon at 786-645-0175 or 978-280.